my third video. As you can see, I'm wearing the new jacket from Harley Quinn Birds of Prey. So I just posted my last video, and I've been posting some pictures on my social media from the photo shoot that I took for the cosplay, and the biggest question people have been asking me is where I got this jacket. So I'm going to show you guys how I made it so you can make it too. So first I'll start off by showing you guys how I made the vest portion up here. So this clear section using a motorcycle jacket pattern. It was just for free on Mood Society. I took that and then I modified it to sort of fit the shape that I was looking for. So I don't really have a pattern that I could recommend other than that one. I'll link that in the description below. Here we go! So first I printed out the mood pattern and then cut out all the pieces. I bought 2 yards of this vinyl, but I think I only ended up using 1.5 for the project. Instead of cutting on a fold of vinyl, I'm cutting out 2 pieces of each shape. To hold the pieces together, I'm using wonder clips instead of pins because pins will leave holes in the vinyl. With all my pieces cut out and clipped together, I'm ready to sew. Under the night sky for eternity. So now that we've got the clear vinyl vest part taken care of, we're going to move on to these crazy sleeves. It does get pretty hot wearing this. The sleeves are one of my favorite parts because for the reflective tinsel part of her sleeves, I bought a tinsel wall hanging and cut it into 12-inch pieces. To get the colors in the order I wanted them, I'm individually picking up each piece of tinsel and taping it onto an 18-inch piece of ribbon. I'm just repeating this process until I've used up all the tinsel I bought. With the tinsel taped down, I'm sewing over each piece of ribbon to make sure everything stays in place. I'm going to be using the same method for the ribbon, just cutting 12-inch pieces of each color that I want and then mixing them all together. For the caution tape, I'm cutting at the beginning and the end of each word and then layering 2 pieces on top of each other so it's more opaque. Since this caution tape is a little bit thick, I'm cutting each piece into 3 sections. I think there's got to be at least 25 layers of the ribbon, caution tape, and tinsel per sleeve. For the base of the sleeve, I just cut an extra piece of fabric I had lying around into a sleeve shape and then sewed on each layer of tinsel, ribbon, and caution tape, alternating accordingly. With all the layers sewed on, I flipped it inside out and sewed it closed. Attaching the sleeves to the jacket itself was absolute mayhem. I don't really have any tips here, but I flipped it inside out, I tried sewing it the other way, and eventually I just had to force it through my sewing machine and to get it to stay on. Look me in the eyes, under the night sky for eternity.
It's a little bit difficult to put on because the vinyl is not a very forgiving material. Alright, so I think that's it. Let me know if you have any questions on anything that I did here, maybe some stuff that I left out. I'm going to include all of the product links within the description. If you have any questions, let me know, but thanks for watching.